hope you all are fine. Today I am going to tell you how we can make a beautiful vase with the help of a hard sheet and a computer paper and the help of glitter sheet by using a glitter sheet. Okay, for making this vase you just need a hard sheet, a computer paper A4 size and a glitter sheet. Okay, just we first of all we have to take measurements of about 15 centimeter in length, in height, and we have to take measurement of 25 centimeter, and from this side we have to take the measurement of 7 centimeter. We have to make this pattern and then we will cut it. After cutting it will shaped like this. Okay, now we have to glue one side, one side which is narrower, which is shorter than the other one. We have to fold in this manner and we have to paste this one upon the other longer side. We have to glue here. Okay, after pasting the side we have this shape of our vase. You can see, after getting this shape we have to cut the computer paper in the same size. We have to cut the computer paper in the same size. And now I am going to tell you how we can use this computer paper. We just fold the whole computer paper lengthwise in this manner. Okay, we just have to fold it. Keep folding till the end. We have to fold all the paper like this. Okay, after folding the whole computer paper lengthwise we have this shape. Now we have to glue this lower portion. We have to glue here on both sides so we can paste it. You can also staple the lower side of the paper or you can paste it with the help of gum stick or glue. If we are using the gum stick, we have to paste glue on both sides of the paper, because from one side it is not pasted from the other side, so we have to apply some glue on the other side also, like this. Okay, after pasting we have this shape. Okay, make sure that you just have to paste its edge, not a large area. We just have to paste glue on the edge of the very bottom of the paper. We just have to paste the edge like this. Okay, now we can glue it here. We can paste it with this. Just apply some glue here and we paste it on this longer side of the vase like this. Okay, wait till it's dry. Okay, now we cut 3 to 4 strips of small strips of glitter sheet. 3 to 4 strips are enough for our vase. Okay, after cutting the strips we take the vase. Okay, now we paste these strips on the vase. We just we start at the bottom of the vase. I'm starting from here. Just paste the strip on the vase like this. And remove the lower paper gradually. Now we will take another strip and we have to apply, we have to paste the strip here on the upper corner of the upper edge of the vase. Like this. Okay, we have to paste another one. We take the other strip and we have to paste it inner side of the vase, on the upper inner side of the vase. Be very careful while pasting it. We have to paste it on the upper inner side of the vase. Okay, it's almost done. Now we have to cut the extra corner, and now we have a small strip. We just paste this strip inside the vase, like here. Okay, after pasting the strips, we have the shape of our vase. Our vase is almost ready. We just have to put the bottom of the vase. For this purpose, we just take the hard sheet and we just place it under the vase, and we have to draw a circle around it, and then we cut the circle, and then we paste its bottom. We cut the circle little bit larger from the bottom so that we can easily paste the bottom of the vase. Just apply some glue on the bottom and place it on the circle we have cut it, and wait for a while so that it can stick with the bottom. Okay, then we have to decorate with a flower. I have made this flower. I have just made it, and for making this flower you can watch my previous video. I have mentioned all the method of making this flower in my previous video. You can visit my channel and you can see my video for making this flower. I just paste this flower on this vase like this. Okay, after pasting the flower, our vase is done now. It can also be used as a pen or pencil holder, and you can put flowers in it. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.